if you don't give clients a reason to choose you over the competition, the harsh reality is that they'll simply pick based on price, and most times they'll pick the freelancer that is offering them the cheapest price. That is why you need to think about how to strive to stand out from the competition on Upwork, how to make yourself the obvious choice for clients that are looking to work with freelancers. And in the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you 4 easy ways that you can stand out on Upwork as a freelancer. The third tip that I share is one of the most important ways to stand out on Upwork, so be sure to check it out. Now, moving on to number 1, the first way to stand out is to offer in-demand skills. So if you're wondering what in-demand skills are, they are simply the skills and services that clients are in need of and they are willing to pay for. So I remember a while back, someone asked me if he could offer sports analysis as a freelance skill on Upwork, and my immediate response to this was, is sports analysis an in-demand skill? And the answer is right now, no. So one thing you need to keep in mind is, as a freelancer, you can really be good at whatever you're doing, right? But if clients aren't in need of these services, you'll likely struggle to get hired. So how do you even figure out the skills that are in demand that you should offer? Is as simple as doing a quick Google search for the most in-demand skills on Upwork. Upwork also publishes in-demand skills every single year, and I'll put a link to this publication in the description box below. As a new freelancer, I understand that picking service that you should specialize in on Upwork can be very hard, and that is why I also have a video that breaks down everything step by step on how to pick an in-demand skill that is also profitable. Now, once you've sorted out your skill and you're sure that it's in demand, the next thing you want to move on to is to perfect your profile. I always like to think of the Upwork profile as your resume and your portfolio combined into one. So when clients are in need of a freelancer to work with, they'll always go to their profiles to get a good feel and the idea about who this freelancer is and if they can actually complete their project successfully. So to perfect your Upwork profile and make it stand out, here's what you should actually be doing. The first thing is you want to focus on your profile photo to ensure that it's sharp. You also want to focus and ensure that your headline adequately describes what you do. So be as creative as possible with your headline, and if you're not sure of how to be creative with your headline, check out other freelancers on Upwork that are successful in your niche. Check out how they describe their services and take ideas from this and apply them into your profile. So your profile overview is another section of your profile that you should just gloss over. So here's my spicy take. So just because it's called your profile overview doesn't mean that it's your biography, right? It shouldn't just revolve around you. So your Upwork profile overview is not your biography. It shouldn't just tell clients all about you. It should be focused on the value that you're offering to the clients, your work process, and really why they should work with you. So in order to write a compelling Upwork profile overview, always start with a captivating hook that captures their attention. Also describe your skills and the expertise. Tell clients why they should work with you. Also, don't forget to format your overview into paragraphs as opposed to just writing everything into a single paragraph or chunk of text. So another thing you need to do to your profile is to add in portfolio items. Ensure that your portfolio section is not empty. Also add in up to 15 relevant skill tags that are useful for your industry, because most of the time skill tags always help you rank higher in Upwork search algorithm, so clients would easily find you. Now, with your profile completed, the third and one of the most important ways to stand out on Upwork and beat the competition is with your proposals, right? So always send thoughtful proposals to jobs so that you can stand out and clients will be interested in working with you. I can tell you for free that a generic copy-pasted proposal or cover letter is a perfect way to always get your proposals ignored. As a client myself on Upwork, I've posted a good number of jobs, and I can tell when a freelancer just gives me a template response to my job. Clients want to feel special, and if you do this, a lot of times it will just cause your proposals to be completely ignored. Try as much as possible not to use AI to write your cover letter. And if you do, always personalize the hell out of it and make sure that it sounds like you. Here are 5 steps to actually write your cover letter on Upwork. The first step is to focus on the clients and the problems that they need, and not just your own skills and your experience. Number 2, demonstrate other successful projects that you've completed, similar to whatever they need help with. Always demonstrate that you've done this kind of thing in the past. 3, keep your cover letter short and sweet. Around 300 to 500 words is usually enough. Don't make it too lengthy. 4, avoid writing your cover letter in a single paragraph. Format it properly and use bullet points. And number 5, remember to make your cover letter genuine. It should be empathetic and show the clients that you're willing to solve their business problems. And if you're wondering whether you need to boost your proposal, if you feel extremely qualified for the job that you've written a cover letter to, go ahead and boost, your proposal, but make it reasonable, right? My rule of thumb is, depending on the number of connects that is required for the job, I generally avoid boosting anything that is more than ×2 of the connects that job requires. So if a job requires 16 connects, I don't boost with more than 32 connects. If you've enjoyed this video up until now, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button to my channel for more videos like this. So the 4th and final way to stand out on Upwork is to offer reasonable pricing. So Upwork takes 10% of your overall earnings, and you need to understand the whole pricing structure in order to maximize your profit. You don't want to price yourself too high that no one is looking to work with you, and you also don't want to price yourself too low that you're not making profit. So always set competitive and reasonable rates on Upwork. My free ebook 101 Jobs on Upwork and Their Hourly Rates guides you on how to set your hourly pricing for different industries. And if you're also taking a fixed price project, ensure that you negotiate the rates that clients will be willing to work with. Another thing you can do is to focus on delivering value, always under promise and over deliver. That way you can even get repeat clients on Upwork. Also offer incentives to your pricing, so you can offer something like a quicker delivery time compared to other freelancers in your industry. So go ahead to implement all of these 4 secrets on your Upwork journey and you'll be well on your way to success. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.